Okay, so good afternoon everyone. So ito ngayon yung natin, yung mga dati nating in-exam. So malalaman na natin bakit nagkamali tayo doon. Ano ba ang tamang sagot? Okay, so umpisahan natin ang number 1. Ang sabi dyan ng tanong sa number 1, parole in the Philippines shall be granted by. Okay? So, ang tamang sagot dyan, Board of Pardons and Parole. Ang tanong, bakit hindi trial court? Kasi ang trial court, ang kanyang ginagrant ay probation. Si President naman, ano ang ginagrant ni President? Ang ginagrant niya ay yung tinatawag nating executive clemency. Okay? So, executive clemency ang ginagrant ng ating presidente. Bakit may kasamang Congress na nandiyan sa pilihan? Kung ang tinatanong sa atin ay amnesty, then it should be granted by the President with the concurrence of the majority members of the Congress. Okay? So, next, number 2. And who grants probation? O, kasasabi ko lang sa inyo kanina, who grants probation? Syempre, wala nang iba kundi sino daw? Si trial court. Si Board of Pardons and Parole, ano ginagrant niyan? Ano ginagrant ng Board of Pardons and Parole? Parole yan syempre. So, President, no? Di ba si President, ano yan? Executive clemency. Pero ang tanong nga natin, who grants probation? Okay, dahil tao ang tinatanong, nararapat lamang na sagutin na tao din. So therefore, ang sagot po natin dyan ay ano daw? Trial judge. Next, number 3. The probation law of 1976 is otherwise known as. Okay, isa-isahin natin. Ano ang RA 10592? Ayan po ang new law, bagong batas para sa good conduct time allowance at saka special time allowance for loyalty. Okay, sa tanggal na yan. Ang Act number 4103, ayan yung tinatawag natin. Ito, 41. Ito, mali yung ano ito, di ba? Act 4013. Huwag nyo na isipin yan. So, lagay nyo na lang Act number 4103. Yung Act number 4103, we are referring to indeterminate sentence law. Ayun yung Act number 4103. So, etong RA 10707, that is a new law on probation. So, therefore, ang sagot natin dyan ay PD 968. Next, number 4. The following executive clemencies are given by the President, kaso ang hinahanap, except. So, pardon and amnesty, ginagrant ng Presidente yan, reprieve, commutation of sentence. Alin ang hindi? Parole. Bakit hindi parole? Kasi ito ay ginagrant ni Board of Pardons and Parole. Okay? So, kaya yan ang hindi binibigay sa executive clemency nino ni Presidente. Number 5. The first practical demonstration of probation and first use of the term probation as court service and the first legally enactment of the first probation law occurred here. Okay, sa anong bansa daw? Siyempre, ang sagot natin dyan, it is the United States of America. Okay? So, ang Europe, dyan naman inintroduce ang dyan nag-originate ang parole. Okay? Ang England, dyan naman nag-originate ang probation. Ang Rhode Island naman, dyan naman nagkaroon ng totoong probation talaga. Bakit? Kasi in-apply yan sa kauna-unahang mga ado. Okay? Sagot natin dyan, United States of America. So, next. So, which among the following states enacted a real probation law in 1898? O, kanina ko lang sinasabi yan sa inyo, real probation law. Ang Massachusetts, ayan yung unang state na nag-introduce ng unang legal na probation. Okay? So, Sa Massachusetts, unang in-applyan para sa mga bata. Rhode Island, third state yan. Huwag nyo na isipin ng Washington DC, the answer is Vermont. Kasi dyan unang in-apply para naman sa mga adult. Next. Ayan. 7. It is considered as the first probation law in the Philippines, but which was abolished upon declaration of its unconstitutionality. Okay? So ano daw yan? Act number 4221, Batas Pambansa number 76, Presidential Decree number 968, Presidential Decree number 1990. Isa-isahin natin. Ang presidential, or rather, ang Batas Pambansa number 76, ayan yung batas na may kinalaman sa probation, na kung saan di ba dati ang probation 6 years. So, dahil sa batas na yan, ginawa niyang 6 years and 1 day. Pwede pa sa probation, yung pagkakakulong, di ba? So, by virtue of Presidential Decree number 1990, ibinalik ngayon sa eksaktong 6 years ang pagkakakulong to be qualified ka sa probation. Okay? So, anong sagot natin yan? Yung unang-unang inabolish because the unconstitutionality on it violates what? Anong violate nito? Yung tinatawag po nating equal protection of law. Okay? So, anong sagot yan? Act number 4221. Number 8. The first Probation Act was enacted on, yung kauna-unang batas daw ng probation. Kailan daw in-enact yan? August 7, 1935. Ano yung July 24, 1976? Ayan na po yung isang probation natin, yung ginagamit na natin. Yung PD 968. So, sagot natin dyan, August 7, 1935. Next, number 9. A sensational case which caused for declaring by the Supreme Court the unconstitutionality of the first probation law on November 16, 1937. O ano daw yung pinaka-case no, bakit daw na i-declare na constitution yung ating yung ating probation law, no? Anong case daw doon? In the case of People of the Philippines versus Jose O. Vera. Ano yung Kilis decision? Ang Kilis decision po ay naman daw yung kauna-unang desisyon saan daw sa Amerika bakit nagkaroon ng probation. Ang Cristobal versus Labrador ay naman yung kauna-unang case with regard sa pardon. And also, nandyan din ang Director of Prison versus Fortunato. Di ba? So, saan na naman yan sa GCTA? Saan sagot dyan? That is a People of the Philippines versus Jose O. Vera. Next, the father of Philippine probation and the former representative of Bulacan and commissioner of the National Police Commission. Si John Augustus, father ng probation in America. Si Matthew Davenport Hill, father ng probation in England. Si Edward Savage, yan naman ang kaunahan ng probation officer. Sino si Teodulo C. Natividad? Yan ang tamang sagot. No? Sa father ng probation in the Philippines, si Honorable Teodulo C. Natividad. Next. The Federal Probation Act, and the Federal Probation Act establishing probation as a sentence in the federal court signed by President Calvin Coolidge was became a law on, kailan daw yan? Itong April 26, 1878, ayun naman yung time na pinirmahan ni Alexander Rice ang probation na ipinasa niya sa legislative ng Massachusetts. So, ano ang sagot natin dyan? That is March 4, 1925. Next, what court will you apply for probation? Anong korte? Saan ka daw mag-a-apply ng probation? A. RTC. B. MTC, C. Trial Court, or any of these? The answer is, ang sabi ng ating batas, as provided by Section 1 of the Republic Act 10707, stated that ang nagbibigay ng probation ay ang trial court. Okay? So next, number 13. This decree mandated the disqualification of the petitioner application for probation if the prescribed for an appeal is perfected. Also, the amendatory law that remove 1 day from 6 years and 1 day. Dati natin sa yung, di ba, dati nagdagdag ng 1 day, batas pambansa 76, di ba? Yung ginawa daw nito, tinanggal yun yung 1 day niya. So, tanggal na batas pambansa number 76. Ano naman yung PD 968? Ay naman yung law on probation. Pag Presidential Decree number 1257, that is a law allowing the public prosecutor to participate or directing to give a comment within 10 days. So, anong sagot natin dyan? That is a what? Presidential Decree number 1990. Next, number 14. He is a convicted defendant whose application for probation has been given due course by the court but failed to report to probation officer or cannot be located within a reasonable period of time. So, anong ginawa niya? Nag-a-apply. Ibibigay na sana. Pero yung pinagre-report siya, hindi naman nag-report. Ibibigay na sana yung kanyang nag-a-apply nga lang, ibibigay na nga sana. Kaso hindi nga nag-report. O, edi yung sagot natin dyan, ano yung probationer mo na? Ang probationer, ito yung mga taong na i-release gamit ang probation. Okay? Ang petitioner, iyan naman ang tawag sa mga nag-a-apply. So, anong sagot natin yan? Absconding petitioner. Ano yung absconding probationer? Nabigyan na ng probation, tapos hindi nag-report. Ito kasi nag-a-apply at hindi na nag-report. Then, that is absconding petitioner. Next, number 15. Yan. So, the probation officer shall submit to the court the investigation report on confident not later than blank day from the receipt of the court order. Ano ang sagot natin dyan? That is A, within 72 days, within 60 days, every 30 days or 1 month, within 15 days, the answer shall be within 60 days. Okay, dapat isubmit ni probation officer ang kanyang post-sentence investigation report within 60 days. Okay? So, ihatiin natin para hindi masyadong mahaba.